Yo, we is setting up for this right now, and we're setting up to light the firework. That's the firework right there. That's my dad. That's my. This is my brother. This is my mom. This is. Hi, Mamu.
Hey, Mama.
This is my mama. We're going to be shooting it up in the sky. Hopefully, it does not hit that or hit anything over here because I'm genuine.
We're honestly trying to go find
How are you doing?
I'll put her right back.
Let's go see this. This was one of the firecrackers. I'm assuming no, that's a battery. My dad said firecrackers around here somewhere. Earlier, more.
Oh, perfect.
I have no idea.
Perfect fit. Huh?
Dad, are you sure? That's. Hey, y'all, get back, get back.
You guys can stay over there.
Get back, get back. I'll be over here. Testing, testing. Hey, let's do it, let's do it. Come on. Just shoot up in the air, shoot up in the air. Don't go downwards. Go up, go up, go up. Up into the sky. Yeah, what's that? Oh. What's that? Yeah. What? I was not fast enough to catch that.
If it was a longer fuse, I wouldn't care because they have enough time.
But legit, though, that was a firework. So, I'm excited for that firework right there. That was a small one and it was loud. It wasn't that loud, but... My brother's gonna do it. My brother's gonna do it. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 5, 2. Hey! This is the main firework for today. That's the little one that we're doing. Ah! Dad, seriously?
Dad, can I do one?
You can do your best. I need you, Isaiah, to get over here. I don't need you doing all that.
Come here.
I didn't even realize I was right there.
Hey, Gaga, if you're anti-pixel,
Potato maxima.
are they watching?
I wonder who that is.
Oh, that was epic. Ha! Ah! That was awesome!